my hydrogen peroxide. Yeast. Shake. Well, what's supposed to happen is it's supposed to have a flame come out the noodle. I think I maybe drilled the hole too big, so the oxygen's coming out of the hole instead of coming through the noodle. But what's supposed to happen, or what happens when it works right, is that yeast releases oxygen from the hydrogen peroxide, which is used as liquid fuel, which comes up the tube and helps start the noodle on fire. And the pasta acts as solid fuel, which burns pretty quick in the presence of oxygen that is being pushed out the jar. That's my explanation.